Hola caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Corey, I am Corey, and... Perdón, disculpa. Tengo que... I'll be back. Joking! Sorry, lo siento, discúlpame. It is a silly joke. And today's topic is, you guessed, apologies and how to make apologies in Spanish. Comenzamos. Let's start. In Spanish, we have several ways to apologize. In our culture, it's very important being polite. So, of course, we have several ways to apologize depending how bad you need to apologize or how bad we need it. So, we can go from a simple disculpa to your mesero or waiter at the restaurant to lo lamento mucho. I'm deeply sorry, to show a little bit more of feeling. But let's see the vocabulary. Let's go. Disculpa or disculpe is excuse me. Lo siento or lo lamento means I am sorry. Perdón o perdóname, my apologies, and con permiso, excuse me. Now, between lo siento and lo lamento, it really means the same, but translated, lo siento is like, I feel it. Feel you, bro. I feel it. Lo lamento will be more like, I'm sorry. Like, that's the literal translation. As you might have noticed by now, apologizing in Inglés y Español, English and Spanish, is very similar. In both languages, we apologize when we did something wrong, when being polite, or to express a feeling of sorrow. For example, if you lost someone. Still, I think one of the biggest differences between Español and Inglés, Spanish and English, is that in English, sorry or I am sorry seems to be a solution that fits almost any situation. Pero no en español, but not in Spanish. In Spanish, we have several ways to apologize, and vamos a ver, let's see how to use each one. Vamos. Disculpa or disculpe is used as excuse me in English. So, for example, if you're walking on the street and you bump into someone, you just say disculpe and you just keep walking. Or, for example, if you want to know the time, disculpa, ¿qué hora es? Excuse me, what time is it? By the way, we have a video about the time in Spanish, so go and check it out. Siguiente. Next. Lo siento or lo lamento is used in Spanish like I'm sorry. This is to express sadness to something que no es tu culpa, that it's not your fault, but you're still sorry about. For example, if your sister asked you to bring tacos for dinner, but you're on a strict diet, so you said, lo siento, hoy no hubo tacos. I'm sorry, no tacos today. Which, by the way, is a very sad situation. Es muy triste. Anyway, let's continue. Perdón o perdóname is used as a way to say I'm sorry for something that we might have done or for doing something that is wrong but not too bad. For example, perdón, se me olvidó comprar las tortillas. Sorry, I forgot to buy the tortillas. Perdón por haber llegado tarde. Sorry for being late. Now, nota muy importante, very important note. If a Mexican mom ever tells you, perdón, like, perdón, run away.
Chancla y recio.
If you are in an area with many people, it's a crowded area, and you need to pass, you can also use con permiso or excuse me. You can also use it when, for example, you need to talk to somebody and you're going to interrupt the conversation. Con permiso, ¿podría hablarle en privado? I'm sorry, could I speak to you in private? There will be times when we really need to be serious and ask for forgiveness or to give it. Para estas ocasiones, for these occasions, we use ¿Me perdonas? Would you forgive me? Perdóname. Forgive me. And of course, this will always be up to you. But if you do forgive them, then the right way to say it is acepto tu disculpa. I accept your apology. Veamos, let's see. ¿Me perdonas por haberte gritado? Can you forgive me for yelling at you? No debí haber usado tu coche. ¿Me perdonas? I shouldn't have used your car. Would you forgive me? Excuse me, can I go back to my... Anyway, muy bien. Now you have learned how to apologize in Spanish. But don't forget, if you want to check, we have a whole series of Spanish beginner videos in our channel where you will find more videos of me and the other Spanish teachers. Now, if you're ready to take it a step further and you're serious about learning Spanish, why don't you go to our website where you will discover the method we use at our Spring Spanish Academy to have you speak in Spanish super rápido, super fast. So please go. And we also have some free samples for some Spanish lessons. So just click in the link in the description and te veo ahí. I see you there. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And hasta la vista y gracias totales. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the video with your friends.